Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do. Eat to me. Your body like speaks to me. I don't know what you do. Get to me. Your body like speaks to me.
Danny D, drop that shit, nigga.
Stay with me when there's no one else to call. If you got me, then I'm in it for the both of us. Stay with me when there's no one else to call. If you got me, then I'm in it for.
Hey, do you love me like you say you love me? Hey, do you vow to keep it cute when everything get ugly? Hey, if I ever leave, girl, would you come looking for me? Racing like a derby, I put her in Kentucky. I'm talking Louis, I get that girl flower, hella bucket. Girl, I'm a ball, I ain't gon' lie, I put up hella buckets. I ain't gon' lie, you want that fountain, fuck it. No, I might Bentley truck it. Is we loving the fucking? Is we loving the fucking?
Stay with me when there's no one else to call. If you got me, then I'm in it for the both of us. Stay with me when there's no one else to call. If you got me, then I'm in it for
Louis luggage, 100 grand, go to my mama every month. I never stutter, I'ma show you who a stunner. Ain't no budget, hydroplaning through the puddles, through the Bentley like a buggy. Keep a shooter, eat my buddy, growing, we my pockets button. Niggas hate all of a sudden, ain't no biggie, I'm still thuggin'. R.I.P. that golden Nipsey, now just point me to the money. Keep them bitches cause they bore me, for you niggas sippin' 40s, wreckin' new Lamborghini. Duckin' indictments for me, she love me, that's right or wrong. Get high, just light a cone, dress her up in number jewels. Can fuck with her Nikes on. Now you're rockin' with the truth, no need for the camera phones, cause we got the world watching and pocket the money long.
Stay with me when there's no one else to call. If you got me, then I'm in it for the both of us. Stay with me when there's no one else to call. If you got me, then I'm in it for the. I love the ways that you feel inside it. The way it tastes got you fantasizing. I'll send your pay, get lost on the island. Let's keep it private, oh, yeah. Every time I'm close to you, teach you things you never knew. Ever since we've been involved,
Ayo, Danny D, drop that shit, nigga.
Stay with me when there's no one else to call. If you got me, then I'm in it for the both of us. Stay with me when there's no one else to call. If you got me, then I'm in.
I used to be up high for Molly, I wasn't even trying to get rich. I know some niggas that catching my body behind a type life like this. Rap the battle, I spit my tricks. Rap the battle, I'm still that nigga. They know that they fucking with Jace. They just wanna make them a diss.